Hey guys, welcome back. I have another pool party with Barbie. I have my maid to move Barbie this time, and she is wearing our cute little Dollar Tree Barbie swimming suit. And she's got her little popsicle and hat from those really cool Barbie official videos, official product videos. Now, you know, I have been looking all over for a pool float that will fit a Barbie doll. I have been trying to come up with ways to make one. I'm almost at the point where I'm going to give up. We did hair scrunchies and cute, folding socks to make little floaters, but nothing that could actually go in actual water. I did want to avoid using drink holders because we have a flamingo one and it doesn't fit in an actual Barbie pool. It works great in a big pool. It works great if you're using a Barbie box, but I wanted something that would fit in a Barbie pool. And this one is bigger than if you had like a Dollar Tree Barbie pool. I mean, I just really wish I had something that my Barbie could float in. But looking at the size of the pool, you can understand where we were running into some issues. If you have any suggestions, make sure, please, send them my way and I will craft or try to create whatever ideas you guys come up with. Again, I was thinking of the cup holder and I caved. Look at this. It is absolutely adorable. It is from Dollar Tree. They are drink holders, but they are actual donuts. There is the chocolate donut and the pink donut. And it was only $1.25 in Canada. I mean, the picture so far does not look like the back. I had to get these, and let me tell you why I had to get these ones. I really wanted the pink one, but I got the chocolate because that's all they had. And this wasn't at my local Dollar Tree. I was actually out camping, and I stopped at a Dollar Tree that had these. So it wasn't even local to me. But in my backyard pool, I have the adult size pink one. So when I saw these, I really, really, really wanted the pink donut, but that is all they had. Now I want you to look at the picture. Look at how great that looks. It looks like the adult one. Look at the yellow. There is not a single, I think there's one yellow sprinkle. I mean, clearly the picture is not doing it justice. And it is from Dollar Tree, so I'm hoping it's going to be kind of small. Let's just get it open. Let's just get it right open. I don't know. Oh, there you go. Now, I'm just going to keep this here so we can see the picture. Oh my. I wish I could still find the flamingo. Wow. Okay, are you ready? It does not look like the picture. The icing is going down the sides. The icing barely covers, but here's the best part. It actually has, okay, so it says Sun Fun, which is the brand. I give them that. This Sun Fun, could that even hold a pop can? Like, I don't know. I don't know. Let's blow it up. I mean, based on this, will it fit in my Barbie's pool? Maybe. This might be our solution. I mean, you can only get one. Yeah. The flamingo didn't even have this. I really wish I could find it. It didn't even have this. It sunk in. So, I don't know. Maybe let's blow it up. Wow. Okay, so, oh, I just hit the camera blowing it up. Again, let's look at the picture and look at the donut. I mean, it does have the bite mark. Here it looks like teeth. Here it's very round. And you know what? I'm okay with that. I'm just gonna, it doesn't have a stopper. So if you squeeze it, the air comes out. Let's just listen to that air coming out. Let's blow it back up. Okay, so it does go in more like the flamingo. I was worried about that. Will it fit in the Barbie pool? No. I mean, maybe if okay. Let's move this out of the way. I mean, it's so big. I mean, okay, if you're, this is why we needed Maid to move. Look at that. Let me take her popsicle away. I mean, it fits in the pool. I don't think this would fit our Swiffer pool. And I really don't think this would, yeah. I mean, it's big. But, and it looks nothing like the picture. I surprisingly love it. I actually love this. Look at it. I mean, you could just sit. Okay, let's move the pool. Look at her there. Okay? I mean, that's actually pretty good. I actually love this. Now I want to get the pink one. Yeah. I mean, this is actually pretty cool. I love it. Now let's try. Okay, let's see. I have Skipper. Skipper doesn't have bendy knees. Let's switch them out. So Skipper looks a little funny. A straight leg, she almost fell. So a straight leg Barbie's not going to work. This is absolutely for a bent knee Barbie. I mean, I love it. I actually love this. Do you know how much fun you could have with your Barbie pool party? I mean, you could have her walking beside the pool, right? Like she's carrying it to the pool. And I mean, if you just really like wedge it in, I can't get it off. Let's stick it in this side. Here, like if we really wedge that in, Barbie's chilling in the pool. Like she's actually in there chilling. I mean, she's not going to go anywhere, but she is in the pool. I love this. There is a hard plastic Barbie accessory set. If I find it, I want to compare it to this donut. Oh my gosh. Let me put her back. I love it. I was a little disappointed I couldn't get the pink one, but I think I love this. I really do. I like the cutout. Obviously, the picture doesn't do it justice because, like, hold on, my Barbie here. Side by side again. There's no, where's the pink sparkles? Where's the pink sprinkles? There is none. These are all clearly the same size, whereas we have some small ones here. And this is very tan, donut tan. This is very bright yellow. I don't even have another yellow. It's very bright. And I love the back that it says Sun Fun. I mean, I'm trying to think now if I flip my donut floatie over. My donut floatie does not have writing on the bottom, but I think it does make it a little authentic that it has that. My donut floatie actually looks like this one, obviously, but you can put a person in it. I don't know, guys. This is an absolute win for me. Is it a win for you? Do you like this? I like this. I think this may be the solution to my Barbie floatie problems. I am still going to try to come up with a way, but honestly, I think if you see these at the dollar store, this is at Dollar Tree. This is the way to go. I'm just picturing now, I spent a lot of time lately at a water park having to carry your donut up, right? Having to carry, let me put her arm over, carry the donut to go, not her like that, but like that, up those stairs to go on the water slide. Look at that. Barbie could actually carry this. You could actually set up, oh my gosh, we could actually set up a really cool Barbie water park. How great would that be? You could have your little wading pool, even if the background is just pictures. This would be so cool. You know what? Hold on 1 second. I just thought of something. Let me just grab this. Okay. Okay, you ready? It's just cardboard. There it is. Look at this. I think our first pool party background, I used this. It's some blue cardboard. Literally. Let me, hold on. Oh, I hit the camera. Okay. I shouldn't do things I'm not prepared for. Hold on. Okay. Here's our box now. I'm crushing Barbie. It's not flat. There. Look at that. Now Barbie is chilling in a big pool. So clearly you need a box pool. But look at how great this is. I love it. I think I like this one more than the flamingo. And 2 for 1, you could cut these out and then like stick them, stick them down so it looks like other floaties. Maybe take, I don't have another little one. Okay, take like your Kelly doll, right? And just, look, now Kelly is on a floatie. Look, there's Barbie and then there's Kelly. And look, now she's in a floatie. You could actually cut the circle out and put that around her waist. Oh my God. Like, look, there you go. She's in a floatie. Turn it to the side. She's in a floatie. Fantastic. For $1.25, absolute total win for me. I really like this. I do. I love it. Let me know in the comments if you love this as much as me or if you've seen the pink one, because I really do want the pink one. I'm going to go check Dollar Trees all over Canada now looking for the pink one. That's it for this week. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, everyone.